Hello guys, welcome back to Monet Loves Glam. I hope that you all are having a beautiful day. In this video, I am going to show you how I decorated my entryway for fall. Now in this video, I will probably give you about 3 to 4 to 5 different looks to give you some inspiration to get ready and go ahead and decorate for fall. Although it is still about 95 to 100 degrees where I live, I am still excited to get started to decorate for fall. So if you're interested, then just keep on watching. So guys, first I am getting started with this lamp that I purchased from Home Goods a little while ago. Now this lamp has had many homes in my house. But more recently, I had this style in my bedroom on my dresser, but I thought that I had the perfect pairing to make this some fall-like in my entryway. So I decided to go ahead and bring this lamp out of my bedroom and then go ahead and place it right here on my entryway table. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and place down this beautiful mirrored box. I have had this mirrored box for a while, and I believe that I picked it up from the at-home store. Every time I go in the at-home store, they always have plenty of these boxes along with Burlington. So if you wanted to find something like this to style your space, I would recommend looking at those two places. Next, I have this beautiful fall pumpkin. And as you can see, the decor of this pumpkin with the little silver and pearl crystals matches this lamp perfectly. So that's why I decided to go ahead and pair these two together for a styling. And guys, I did not go out and buy more things for fall. I kind of just used a lot of the fall decor that I've already had. And I also posted another video showing you how I decorated my dining room buffet server for fall. So I will be sure to insert that video up top in the iCards and also put that video link down in the description box for you. Guys, I went ahead and also styled that vase right there on the corner that I picked up from Z Gallery, and I filled it with some silver and white flowers and then some of those crystal sprigs, I guess you would call those, also from Z Gallery. And then also up top right there where my window is, I have that blinged out bless sign along with 2 mirrored candle holders and some white candles in those. So guys, this is what style 1 looks like. I think this style is really pretty. And that is just a close-up of that vase. And this is really giving me fall glam vibes. Okay guys, let's go ahead and hop into style number 2. So what I did was I left the lamp there. I removed the mirror box and just placed the pumpkin right on top of that entryway table. And then I just removed those mirror candle holders and candles from up top by my window and placed them right there beside the candle. I really like style number 2 also. It really gives me that minimalist look. All right guys, let's go ahead and hop right into style number 3. So I decided to go ahead and take that vase and move it from one side of the table right on over to the other side. Next, I am placing this mercury glass vase / stand right there in the middle. And then I am placing that pumpkin right on top of that stand. So next, I am going to come in with these mercury glass candle holders that I picked up from Home Goods more recently. And I will be sure to include these into my next decor haul. Guys, I have a really big home decor haul coming up because I have not been able to get around to doing one. But when I tell you that I have been doing some shopping, I have been doing some major shopping, and I am so excited to share with you guys everything that I have found. So this right here is what number 3 looks like. I really like this look as well. It's a little more glammed up than style number 2, but I think this also fits the space. Okay guys, with this style, I also decided to add a candle from my very own candle company, www.glamluxcandles.com. This particular candle vessel is named Platinum. It is so pretty with the silver candle part and the clear cloche hanging off top with the tassel. Okay guys, for this last and final look, I decided to be super extra. So this is a close-up of that silver vase with the white flowers. I decided to get one of my glitter placemats, put it right up under that vase and pumpkin, surrounded by some beautiful decor balls along with my candle Platinum. I kept those same mercury glass candle holders on the side, and then I decided to add back up top the bless sign with the mirrored candle holders and the white blinged out candles with the tassels. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed all of these different stylings. I hope that it gave you some inspiration to jump into your fall decor. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with all your family and friends. I'll see you next time. Bye.